Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learned alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name blue color, yellow ochre color, black color, red color, yellow color, green color. Kids, now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids, now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow ochre color. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use black color. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Kids, now draw numbers. Kids, first we draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color. O and E1. Kids, now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow ochre color. TWO2. Kids, now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color. THREE. Kids, now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use red color. FOUR. Kids, now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color. FIVE. Kids, now draw shapes, and first we draw a square, the shape of a square, and use blue color. Kids, now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use yellow ochre color. The shape of circle. Kids, now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color. The shape of triangle. Kids, now draw heart, the shape of heart, and use red color. The shape of heart. Kids, lastly draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.